Hello friends, welcome to Options Trader. Today I'll be growing a small account. I'll be trying to turn $100 to as much as I can, just to show you that you can use this simple strategy that I'll be sharing with you to grow your small accounts. So I've already loaded the currency pairs with the highest payout. The broker I use is Pocket Options. You can find the link in the description. And if you want to learn more about this strategy, you can get in touch with me through the Telegram, my Telegram group. The link is in the description, so make sure to follow to check it out. I'll also be sharing maybe live trading sessions through the group, so be sure to join the group and let's get to it. Let's find some beautiful trades and I'll explain more. Guys, I'm still waiting for the perfect opportunity. You have to make sure you don't enter the trade early because you'll have more chances of losing. So let's see if the next candle will give us an entry. This is a perfect opportunity, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it comes to our entry. It has to come to this horizontal line I drew. If not, we don't take the trade. If it does, then we take the trade for sure. And yeah. Okay, let's see, guys. I think it's coming to our entry. Let's wait. Boom, there we go. So this is a beautiful one, guys. The reason is very simple, and there we closed with profit. So the reason was very simple, guys. So when I looked at the market, we are clearly moving in a downtrend. This was a retracement, like from here to here was a retracement. So I'm expecting the market to go further down. And once I zoom in, so here we had an engulfing candle. So this bearish engulfed our bullish candlestick, and I came in, so it gave us a beautiful supply. So I came and drew my horizontal level right at the body of the candle. And another beautiful thing about this is all these rejections, they are giving us extra confirmation. So I was waiting for this candle to come here. It didn't come, so I waited for around 5 minutes, and this candle gave us entry. It came to this point, we entered our trade, and the candle closed right here below our entry, and that was a winning trade. So now I'll take my second trade with $100. So I always make sure that I leave something in my account, because I don't want to risk the whole amount. Risking is always risky, and sometimes you have good, beautiful trades, but you end up losing because of different reasons. Okay, guys, I took another trade here. So let's see. I'm sure that this trade this is going to reject, and we are going to have a winning trade. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. So this trade was very beautiful. So let me explain it to you guys. As you can see here, let me draw everything for you so that you can understand. So as you can see, we have this the market has been moving on this area for quite some time, and so here we had this point that the market decided to break to the downwards, to the downside, and here we have this, okay, let's call it engulfing, like we have this supply area basically. So once the market came and touched this horizontal line that I drew on right at the body of this supply area, so once it came and touched that, I was quite sure that that it was going to reject. Another reason I was very sure was because of these wicks. Like, this is a bad market, and if you've been watching my videos, I explained to you that this strategy works best in such markets. So one thing, make sure that you practice this strategy on demo account before trying it with your real money, so that you can get the edge of it and be confident while risking your own money. So I'll take my next trade with 192, so that even if I lose, I can just start again with a small account, with small balance. So let's look for our next opportunity. There we go. So okay, I've decided to take the trade, and then I can explain it to you guys once the trade is closed, so that I couldn't miss the trade. So one thing, let me draw everything for you so that you can understand. So I draw my horizontal line. Oh my god, what is happening? Okay, my internet connection is not that good today. I don't know why. So okay, so I drew a horizontal line. Okay, I didn't draw it because I didn't want to miss the trade, but what we can see here is that the market is moving in a downtrend. As we can see, it's creating lower lows, and here we had a very beautiful supply area with this engulfing candlestick that had very beautiful momentum to the downside. So I draw my horizontal line right at the body of the small candle, and once the market came to my horizontal line, I enter a trade to the downside, and it closes below that, and the trade was a winning trade, guys. So let's look for another opportunity, and let's see how far we can go. Okay, I've just taken a trade. It's beautiful. So I've taken a trade to the downside. It's rejecting really well. So let's wait for the closing of the trade. So I always insist with going with the trend, guys. As you can see, a very beautiful downtrend. You have this very beautiful supply, very beautiful engulf, and once the market came to my entry, it took a downtrend. This is a beautiful win, a very beautiful win. And we're in profit. So I increase my amount, my trading amount, and look for another opportunity. So yeah, okay, let's do 700. Let's go, guys. Beautiful entry. So I have this beautiful engulf, this beautiful supply, and I just took my trade right at this horizontal line. So the reason was very simple. So here, as you can see, we had a very big drop, which I believe needs retracement. So, and also we have these rejections showing weakness. So it shows that the drop is getting weaker and weaker, so we are expecting a retracement anytime soon. And right at this point, we had a beautiful supply area that formed a very beautiful momentum to the upside. So once the market came to that supply, definitely the market was going to reverse because of the weakness, and that's why I took out the trade, and that was a beautiful win. So let me take my last trade. Okay, don't like taking so many trades because at times you get your mind gets exhausted and you start taking bad trades and lose your money. I don't want that to happen, so let me take my last trade. Okay, I think the market will come to our entry finally. Don't frustrate me, man. Okay, let's see. Come on. Okay, it's rejecting. Let's see. So make sure you don't enter before it comes to your horizontal line, guys. Don't, because there we go. Because sometimes we win with very small margins, and if you enter early, then you can lose the trade. So that is it for today, guys. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Make sure to join the Telegram group for more communication and information, and we can also decide to do some live trading. So that's it for today, and bye.